Hi everyone, today we are in Module 3 of Level E of VMath. We are on Lesson 11. Please turn to page 47 and follow along to take notes. All right, we are doing, again, modeling division with remainders now though with base 10 pieces. So this is another hands-on guided activity. So here as a reminder, 36 divided by 3. So we have 3 groups, you make 3 groups, and then you divide the pieces evenly. So there are 3 10s, so you put 1 in each. There are 6 1s, you put 2 in each. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. 10, 11, 12. So here's how we're going to do this. 37 divided by 2, we're going to model the problem. Here's 37 with your base 10 blocks, and then you make 2 groups. So then you divide the tens rods into identical groups. You have 1, 2, but then you have 1 left over. So then it says you're going to trade the leftover tens rod, this leftover one that didn't evenly divide, for 10 ones. So here it is as 10 ones, and then we still have the 7 ones over here. So then it says divide the ones blocks into identical groups. So you put the ones blocks in and we get 8 in each group. So 37 divided by 2 is 10 plus 8 is 18. But then you have this one little guy left over. So remainder of 1. So now we have 95 divided by 3. So how we're going to do that is we're going to have to model it. So I'm going to draw 3 groups. Okay, and then I'm going to divide the tens rods. Well, there's 9, so that means I can fit 3 into each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to do the ones pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can put 1 in each, but then I have 2 left over. I cannot put those into those groups. I can't do that. So that means my answer is I have 10, 20, 30, 31. And then I have this remainder of 2 left over. So that 2 is called a remainder because it did not evenly divide into the groups. Okay, what you're going to do right now is complete page 48 on your own. Make sure to use the base 10 blocks either online or the ones from your teacher. Good luck.